In this video, you will learn how to list an item for sale on Mercari in 5 minutes. First, you want to go and open your Mercari app, and then you want to hit sell an item. Once you hit sell an item, your camera will open up and you will be able to begin to take a picture to use for your first picture. You can change this picture later. Once you do that, now you want to start going in and typing your title. You want to be very specific with your title because you can only use up to 40 characters. Sometimes you may have to edit your title to make it fit and also make sense. So you want to use specific keywords that will help your item sell. Next, you'll describe your item. Here is where you want to put a description about the condition and if you want to add anything about the quality or any specific details that you may want to mention. If it's broken, working, if it's as is, things like that. The cool thing about Mercari is you can use hashtags. Here's where you want to put some popular hashtags to help your item show up better in search results. Alright, after you do that, you can go into details and select a category. Suggested categories may pop up. And you can select a brand, and you can select a condition. And if you want to select details, you can go in and search for more pre-populated details to help your item show up better in search results. Now you go in and set your price. Mercari will sometimes give you an automatic price and will also enable smart pricing. We will not enable smart pricing. We'll just select our own price, and then we'll go in and edit the shipping to make sure it's right for us. We'll put the weight. We'll put the length, the width, and the height of the package. And then we'll select calculate shipping. Should give us the best deal, so we'll select the USPS one and we're done. With that part, now we'll go in and we'll add more photos. I like to turn the camera sideways when I'm taking my photos because it helps me take really good pictures. I like to take pictures that show as many angles as possible, so I'd like to take at least 6 pictures. Usually you got a front, a back, top, bottom, side, left, right. You got corners, so at least 6 pictures I think is good. Do a quick overview and click list and then processing, and then you're all done. And that's how easy it is to list an item for sale on the Mercari app.